Hello YouTube, this is Matinikk and welcome to another session of unboxing video. And today I'm gonna unbox the mini rechargeable portable fan. Alright, let's check it out. This came in a nice box, well packaged, and basic assembly is required because this one comes in three pieces: the head or the fan, the power bank, and the charging dock or the stand. This also comes with a USB cable or the charging cable, and then a lanyard. My first impression on this fan, to be honest, I like it. Being a lightweight, unique design. You can interchange the power bank. You can use any power bank to power the fan. It has 5-speed settings, unlike the one I've been using. I have only like 3 settings: low, medium, and high. Also, this one has a 2600 milliamps battery or power bank. You can also use that to charge your cell phone. And this one lasts quite a while, but I'll see how it works. It's rated to work up to 9 hours if you're using the low speed, and 3 hours if you're using the high speed. So I'll make another setup video on that review. And for the meantime, I'm gonna just want to share this simple and quick demo and unboxing video. So I hope you like this video. Please hit like button below, and share the video, and please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And for those who subscribed already, I would like to thank you guys again. Alright, see you in my next video. Thank you. Ciao.